The digital landscape is undergoing a massive transformation. For years, the freelance economy was the backbone of business scaling and creative output. But today, the traditional model is evolving. We are moving from manual talent sourcing to high-efficiency AI automation that fits right on your desk. Content creation and copywriting used to require days of back and forth. Now, advanced language models are changing the game for writers everywhere. With the right prompts, AI can draft persuasive ads, deep dive articles, and engaging scripts in a fraction of the time it takes a human. Graphic design is following suit. Tasks that once required expensive software and years of training are now being handled by sophisticated visual algorithms. From UI/UX layouts to intricate social media graphics, these tools allow entrepreneurs to visualize their brand identity instantly without a dedicated designer. The revolution extends into video production as well. Post-production workflows, which were once the most time-consuming part of marketing, are being streamlined. AI assistants can now handle subtitling, clip assembly, and even background noise removal, allowing you to focus purely on the storytelling aspect. Even administrative support is being automated. Virtual assistants are being replaced by data-driven tools that manage your most tedious organizational tasks, scheduling meetings, sorting through thousands of data points, and managing complex calendars are now handled with flawless precision by intelligent software. As we embrace this era, the role of the human entrepreneur shifts from doing the work to directing the vision of the business. The future belongs to those who leverage these powerful tools to build faster and smarter. Start exploring the AI freelance revolution today.